Look at this thing.
Yeah, it's anchored down. I don't give a shit. Fucking backing into the shop and fucking let her eat. Let her eat, tater cheat.
Let her eat, tater cheat. We have got the task of bringing this Supra back to life. It's been sitting for an unknown amount of time. It's only got 72,000 miles on it. The interior is like mint. It's automatic, unfortunately. We'll get there with a pressure washer eventually. Hopefully it'll shine. I mean, this thing...
Stock radio?
Yeah, this...
Center console. Center console. Open up the center console.
Oh, yeah, it's got the tool bag in the center console. And it's in pretty decent shape for been sitting for so long. But yeah, it's only got 72,000 miles on it. And we are tasked with bringing it back to life. And it looks like we have some work ahead of us because there is wires and all kinds of stuff everywhere. But this is one that you guys will need to keep an eye on. I like the wheels too quite a bit.
Gonna say I'm pumping the gas like crazy. So.
I just beat the starter a little bit. We had it running for about a second.
Any gas? Because it's like on E.
Is it on E?
Yeah. If you have any bit of gas, put some gas in it, and it should.
Oh, but I got a gas can. The gas thing right up the road.
It damn near fired up.
No, well, it's let me give it one more try.
Go ahead, go ahead. I think it needs gas. Yeah, no smoke either. No smoke or anything.
That's perfect.
Yeah, it's horrible gas.
I wonder if the gas gauge works.
Died instantly?
No, he let his foot off the gas. Okay, you got all the bad shit cleared out.
You got all the shit out of the injector.
I bet with some good gas, spark plugs, and wires.
Now full throttle. That's when it does it. So it's chick gas. That's what it is.
It sounds pretty cool out here.
No tick or anything?
No, it's running great.
Got this thing for $300.
Oh, let it idle.
Yeah, let it do its thing.
Yeah, listen to it. Sounds like it's great.
Yeah. It's building oil pressure. It's got 20 pounds of oil pressure. Yeah, it's got 20 pounds of oil pressure.
Jug of water.
Yeah. Does there happen to be a light on that looks like the White House or like?
Yeah, White House is on.
Okay, that means it needs coolant.
White House is on. Check engine lights on.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of shit messed up, right? We're gonna throw some coolant in it. Yeah.
No, it's not moving. It still has a White House on.
That's the coolant reservoir itself, so don't try the AC.
Okay.
Just because it's gonna put too much of a load on the motor right now. It's running off the jump box.
It is?
Yeah, the alternator plug needs to be fixed. But at least this way we can...
You want me to give it some gas and see what it does?
I just want to see if it's gonna warm up. Here, hold on. We'll see if it warms.
The fucking alternator.
We gotta fix that alternator.
Like, seriously?
What connector right there and get some good gas in it, and then this thing.
Coolant temperature sensor.
That's probably why that wasn't working. You probably fix that. Then this thing should be able to do a nice hella nasty burnout.
Like, seriously, I did not expect that at all.
Probably do a burnout off the jump pack.
We could, but I don't want to break your nice new jump pack.
I have to.
This is why I love you, Wayne. You know that? This is why I have two.
It's got some nice tires on
Oh, by the way, you got an FD.
it. Yeah. It's got some nice tires on it.
It does have some nice tires. Dude, I can't wait to see this thing all cleaned up and put together.
And then I remembered I had an FD, so who gives a fuck about this turd?
I do. I like this thing. I really do.
I'm just fucking around. It's
hey,
cool too. It pissed me
no,
off when he was like, I bought that for $300. I'm like,
is,
I keep
I'm
talking to the
serious,
guy
at this
about it.
Yeah, and that, by the way, yeah, the guy got this for 300.
$1,500 right now. I can get it.
Yeah, but he bought it for $300 like this, and it's been sitting. Judging by the layers of this, it's probably been sitting for about 10 years, I'd say. But over the course of the next few weeks, we're gonna get this thing looking good and cleaned up and running great, and hopefully it could do some burnouts.
The look of these ones better than I like.